Hello, dear students of class 6. I welcome you all in this beautiful world of English class. Students, today we will understand a beautiful poem that is taken from your syllabus. The title of this poem is First Day at School. This poem has been written by a renowned writer, Roger McGough. In this poem, the poet tries to tell us about the experience. एक छोटा बच्चा जब पहली बार स्कूल में जाता है तो वो कैसा फील करता है, इस पोम में राइटर ने हमें ये बताया है. The poem uses language and tone in a powerful and playful way to describe a child's first experience at school. Throughout the poem, we see the anxiety, pareshani, curiosity, jigyasa, misunderstanding, and perhaps the ignorance of child. In this poem, McGough uses creative imaginations like monsters, wolves, to give the reader wider view of the way a little kid thinks. In the first line of this poem, we can see the exaggeration for the distance between the child's home and the school, which refer to the extent the child feels far away from home without his parent. In the next line, the poet explains that the child knows something that has been told by his mother. He need to wait for the bell to go somewhere, whether it is home or for a break. But the child not really understand what the bell signifies exactly and confused to go where. In the next line, the child suddenly realized that the children in the school looks bigger than him. He realizes that all those they are so nicey and they act so relaxed as if they were at home in compared to himself. The child thinks that they all look fit in the uniform as they have always been wearing those uniforms. Again, the child compared himself to the other and feel again so lonely. In the next line of this poem, the child realizes that the other children are playing different games. These games are very new to the child, and child thinks that they have spent their lives in playground inventing these games and consider these games very dangerous for child himself. In the next line of this poem, when child sees the railing, that is the outer boundary, जो दीवार थी of the school, around the school, he thinks that this railing must be for the outsider because it is not allowed to child to take the things from the outsider. Outsider, according to the child, are like monster. The child thinks that these railing may be used to keep the children inside who runs away from the lesson. Then child again thinks that what exactly the meaning of the lesson. He uses his imagination and logic and come to the point that lessons are something that is very less, very small and slimy. And these lessons are used to keep the children in classroom again. And then next, the child jumps to the understanding of the word classroom. He compares the classroom with the classroom that is made up of class. The child suddenly turned to another topic. He probably can't remember his surname and aware of the fact that it will be needed by him as he told by his mummy. Then he associates the benefit of the surname with the valleys. The valleys are the long shoes that are used in rain. At last, the child referred to the thing that they had told by his mother before entering the school. The child mom probably told him that the teacher would read his name, and here the child again used his imagination and come to the conclusion that teachers are those who makes tea, means teachers and tea. This is all about the imagination of child at the first day at school. Goodbye.